project. So until this launches, it comes with placement tape. You just tape your project down, so it's really easy. But the mat's going to be awesome, the magnetic mat. So then I'm just going to load this into my machine. Again, I can use this with Cricuts, Silhouette, Sizzix, Brother. I'm going to send my artwork, and in a second it'll start foiling. So this is our foil quill pen. It's a heat pen. It plugs in with a USB cord. I have it just plugged into this power bank, but you can plug it into your machine. Some machines offer that. You can plug it into your computer, into your wall, just using an adapter. So however you'd plug in your, a USB cord. And it heats up and is transferring the design right now, as you see. So this will just take a couple minutes. So this is an example. Without the magnetic mat, I would just, I'd put my paper down and I would tape my foil down with our placement tape. So pretty simple.
And you can use any design?
Yeah, any design that you want. We sell these USB thumb drives. We have 6 SKUs, and each one comes with 200 designs, both in PNG and SVG file formats. But yeah, any design that you want, just like normal, you would upload your design and cut it out or draw it or whatever. So.
And is there a price for this, or did you already talk about
so
that,
the individual pens retail for $39.99.
Okay.
And then the all-in-one kit, which comes with 3 pens, comes with the foil, everything, the tape, retails for $99.99. So it is a good value because you get all of that stuff at a lower cost. But. There we go. We're going to unload this in a second. There we go, and we'll see how it looks. There we go.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's not the detail that you can get, and yeah, for sure.